What is it?
Grandpa get you.
What does it say? Oh, shit. Elmo sent you something. What do you think it is?
Here, Dorothy.
Oh, man. See, it takes away. Look, Dorothy, look at Daddy.
Look. You open it?
Open it?
Can you open it?
It's not a pizza.
What is it?
Open
What is it?
it!
You pull it out?
Elmo.
No.
Elmo.
Elmo, cool.
Are you happy?
You look touched.
Mm-hmm. Yay.
Looks like an Elmo backpack. Now you can carry Elmo around wherever you go. Can you say thank you?
Yes. Elmo. Yay. Yay. Hi, Elmo.